kindergartners, welcome back to school. My name is Mrs. Schlichter and I will be your kindergarten teacher this year. I am very disappointed to start our class this way through distant learning, but the good news is as soon as this virus will be gone and we will be back here at school in person. Now, on this video, I'll be talking about how can I help you or guide you through Zoom or your Schoology, okay? So first, you will have your weekly assignment, your weekly packet, and your packets are ready to be picked up. They're packed and ready for you to pick up on Friday from 3 o'clock to 5:30 or Monday morning between 7:30 and 8:45. Remember, our Zoom classes begins at 9 o'clock, so make sure that you have this ready before coming to class. Now, inside your homework packet are your daily work. So I will put some work assignments for you so we can work on them together on Zoom every day. And you will have also your class schedule and your Zoom meeting schedule. Now, about your Zoom, I will be sending you an email about your Zoom ID and Zoom password. The ID numbers will still be the same, but password will be changed daily, and I will notify you as soon as the password changed. Now, for the Zoom expectations, I would like you parents to help me guide or assist your little ones at home. And before coming to class, I would like them to have their breakfast done. They eat their breakfast before coming to class. They are ready to be on class and wear their top shirt uniform on. If you don't have the uniform yet, you can stop by the office, mom and dad, and just purchase the used one so they can just wear it during class time. And you don't have to wear it every day. You can take it off and just put it back again during class time. My other expectations are make sure that you have all your supplies, your work ready before coming to class, your folders, your whatever supplies, some markers, crayons, whatever. Make sure that they're ready so you don't have to be running around and wasting our time. And for your completed work, you can turn them in on Monday by 4, or you can turn them in on Friday also. As soon as we're done on Friday afternoon, you can switch with me. And for your passwords, I will be making some like this kind of a sample sheet that I will be putting in your other programs like Extra Math, Epic, Schoology. Password will be on this sheet, so it's just easy for you to just have it nearby. So when you log into your device, they're just right here. And for any questions, you can just go back to your back to school night packet, or you can send me an email or call the office. I think that's it for me for today for this video. And for your Schoology also, I will be posting some assignments, class information, and our daily Zoom password. So, boys and girls, I can't wait to see you guys on the first day of school. Okay, you enjoy your rest of your summer, and we'll see you soon.